Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the entire team of Dilwale. We have with us Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Mr. Rohit Shetty, Kajol, Varun and Kriti. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big shout for Kajol! Well, I promise you're going to get your picture opportunity. But right now, to begin the show, Shah Rukh sir, can I please request you to come up onto this stage? I would also request Ajay sir and Rohit sir to please come up onto this stage to light the lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shah Rukh Khan! Then we have Mr. Ajay Bijli with us. Ladies and gentlemen, the entertainment king Rohit Shetty. I would also request Sanjeev sir to please join us onto the stage.
For a second, please. Thank you very much. Aina, thank you very much. Very, very special day for all of us, but also an extremely sad day. 7 years ago, 2008, the dastardly and the most vicious attack on our country, in our city, happened on the same day. So before we continue with the revelries and celebrations of things that we are going to go ahead with, as our country has taught us, as the city has taught us, in the face of fear, treachery, and danger and scare, I think we should all take 1 minute, a moment of silence to give our respect to people who lost their lives, who lost their loved ones 7 years ago on 26/11. So I just expect everyone to rise. Sorry if we cover the cameras, but thank you very much. A minute of silence. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. And we pray for people who've lost lives, kin, friends, and hope that we can always fight this kind of treachery, these kind of acts with the bravery and the resilience which we've done for years, and give punishment, mete out punishment to all the people who do these kind of acts. So thank you very much. And now moving on to the moment that we are here for. This is a very special day for me, not just because we are here to release perhaps the most cool, fun, happy song of Dilwale, but my friendship with the PVR family, Ajay, Sanjeev, everyone, there's so many of them in Delhi, we've grown up together. I have a little incident. We were more than now attached through films and the exhibition, and thankfully this time they're even distributing Dilwale, so thank you very much. But more than the change they've brought in how movies are watched, the experience of film watching. We make films, we make good ones, we make bad ones, but the one thing that should always remain at two ends, that the film should be produced beautifully, and then, because that's in control, and the last is it should be exhibited, so that the final end user, the retailer, the audience, the people that we believe in and make the cinema for, they have the best experience possible. And not because of my years-long friendship with Ajay and PVR, I really feel the best experience perhaps in the world is provided by PVR Cinemas to all the audiences. So thank you very much. I remember when they started, we are bowling partners. नहीं होना चाहिए किसका ऑडियो नहीं आ रहा हम शरीफ क्या हुए सारी दुनिया ही बदमाश बन गई यार आ तो रहे okay so we used to bowl together in Delhi, and I have to accept this, that bowling was taught to me by Ajay. Ajay was India #1, #2 bowling champion, and he had this amazing glove, and we all believed that he could bowl because of that glove. He was very cool. We had a lot of bets. If we had continued those bets, maybe I would have won some of the PVRs, but I would have lost everything else that I had. So thank you very much, Ajay. We've been old friends, family friends, and thank you for being such a gentleman. Thank you very much, your whole family. Apart from that, today is special because we are releasing the new property. In terms of numbers, which one is it now? 477. याद भी नहीं रहता देखो 477. PVR is like the Sachin of exhibition. They keep on increasing their runs, their theaters, and whenever you come to a theater like this, we just saw parts of the song Gerua, which we had released, and the experience here is completely different. So we are really, really thankful as filmmakers, as producers, as actors, that you make us look so good, and apart from that, you give sometimes more comfort to the audience than what our film gives. So they sit down and watch the film just for the fun of it. So all the best to PVR. Our partners are here. Sony, thank you very much. All of us who are who made this film, we are very, very proud today because we are part of PVR and releasing and opening this new theater. And inshallah, we pray before the end of next 2 years, you have 1,000 theaters more. So thank you very much, Ajay and Sanjeev. Thank you very much.
Sir, I would request you to please take your seats. And I would also request Kajol to please come up. Kriti, Varun, I would also request you to come up. And Ajay, sir, I want you to say a few words on this occasion. And of course, from PVR Priya to PVR Icon, it's been a long journey.
My own Dolby Atmos is not working because I've had cold last few days. But just want to thank everyone, first of all, on behalf of PVR for being here and making this a very special occasion for us. Also, of course, Shahrukh, Kajol, Rohit, Varun, Kriti, the entire team, for being here and making it very special for us. Everyone, I mean, Shahrukh has already said it, but everyone brags about knowing a superstar, but I'm glad he corroborated the fact that we go back many, many years playing 10-pin bowling. If I can use some examples of 10-pin bowlings, lots of strikes and lots of spares Shahrukh used to have, but I think the perfect 300, he only scored once he came here to Mumbai. So I just want to really compliment and congratulate Shahrukh for the sort of entertainment icon that he's become, not only in India but globally. So a round of applause for him for all that he's achieved. As I said, I'm happy to be always like a little subwoofer behind the screen. But today I'm just going to say a few words about what really has been an inspiration for us, what defines PVR, what's sort of how the journey started by Sanjeev and me way back in 1990, when our dad was generous enough to give us one property, Priya, and sort of revamp it and ensure that people start coming to the cinemas. So the two, I think, incredibly powerful factors which are there in India are the ones which have really inspired us all along. One is really the prolific talent, the energy that is there in the filmmakers. So people like Rohit, various filmmakers, they're always raising the standards, raising the bar to make sure that movies are seen on the big screen. And the whole larger-than-life format, the vibrancy, the whole colorfulness of what you see on the screen is something we were very keen to bring into the cinemas as well. Because we felt that the transition between what's happening in the outside world, the real world, and what's happening on this big screen had to be sort of a little more smoother. So when people come to the cinemas, and the moment they buy the ticket, they come to the foyer, they should get into that world of make-believe. And they should really say, wow, I'm glad I'm here. So every little thing, every little corner that they go to, it could be the toilets, it could be the concession stand, it could be any corner of the cinema, they should say, wow, I'm really happy I'm here. So that's one inspiration. And so it's not just the quantity of films, it's the way the movies have been made in India over the years which has inspired us. The second is, as Shah Rukh rightly said, the customer. I think customer is extremely important to us. Again, India sells about 3 billion tickets annually, as compared to, say, maybe 2 billion in the US and about 1.75 billion in China. So India sells the maximum number of tickets. We have the maximum number of movies that go through the system. But I still think that the Indian audience, there's no audience in the world which is as discerning, as technology savvy as the Indians. So I think they're the second they've given us the push, further push to say, okay, fine, now let's not compromise on that 2 to 2.5 hours, 3 hours journey when they go out of their homes and then they want to come to a cinema and watch a movie. So no compromise can possibly be made on the sound quality, the projection quality, the legroom seat width configurations, everything, the screens, the customer service. So these are the two big important factors that have always inspired us. And we really consider ourselves at PVR to be that conduit, the infrastructure that we're building, a link really between the prolific filmmakers and the voracious appetite of the Indian consumer to watch movies on the big screen. So that's really what we've been trying to do. This particular catchment and this particular property, thanks to the developer, we got this property and we are very excited because the whole catchment is, the film fraternity lives here. Again, very, very discerning consumer around this catchment. So when we got the opportunity, we said, let's do something iconic. And that's how the brand name PVR Icon came about. And we said, let's not compromise on anything once again. Let's look at the seats. So these seats that you're sitting on, we've never had these seats anywhere. It's got more cushioning, more comfort than any other seat. The seats in our gold class cinemas, the team here had an experience there. We've never used them anywhere. The carpets, the acoustic properties, nowhere in the world, all cinemas have got, all screens have got Atmos. We've got atmosphere for sound. We've got 4K projection system. So we said, let's just take it to another level. So that's what we've tried to achieve. And I hope you like it. And I hope it encourages you to keep coming back. With this property, we are at 477 screens. We have a 9-screen complex opening up in Bangalore tomorrow. We'll be 486. And by the time Dilwale comes, we are really working hard, Shah Rukh, at least we get the 500 number. So that's what we're working on. So it will be the fastest growing company in the world in terms of getting screens to 500. Before I end, I just want to acknowledge the presence of my brother, Sanjeev, who's right there, who's really been amazing. We started the journey together, and we do, he's incredible. My daughter, Niharika, who's just joined the company after studying in LA at USC. and she's bringing, like the youthful energy into the company. Also, the entire team of PVR, Gautam, Ashwini, Vijay, Mr. Kaul, Agneet, everyone, Amit, who've really worked relentlessly hard. They've been with me 10, 15 years now, and to build the circuit and build this property. Shalu, Deepa, I don't want to miss out on anyone, so please don't mind. Thanks once again for being here, and it's a very special day for me. Thanks once again for the entire team, and wish you really all the best for Dilwale.
Rajesh sir, we also wish you the very best, and what better way to launch PVR Icon than have some of the most iconic names in the Indian film industry. And so before we move ahead, I would request you to pose for our photograph, photographers here. Can we have a group photograph, please? Thank you. And Rohit sir, now I would request you to please take it forward. Already the first song is appreciated, loved as much as the trailer. Today is a very special day. You're going to be releasing the second song. You seem to be laughing. You got a microphone there.
Varun is going to do the honors. He was laughing on me.
No, I'm laughing.
Let Kajal do it, yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Since nobody want to do that, but actually this is the second song of the film, but it's completely different from the first one, and I have to say that Varun has lived up to his reputation. Varun and Kriti both actually have lived up to their reputations in the song. Yeah, that whole thing, yeah. The whole footsteppy thingy jingy, whatever. Anyways, but it's a really cool song, and we really hope you love it. And it's called Manwa Emotion Jagere, right? Jagere is Maharashtrian? Marathi? No, Jage. Manwa Emotion Jagere. Okay, that's my Marathi side coming out. But it's a fab song, and we hope that aapke bhi man mein bhi emotion niklega. Thoda sa, kuch aur. Okay, go ahead.
So I would request you all to please take your seats so that we can...
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see the song with you, then Kajol and me and I think Rohit, we might have to rush off. The younger ones will stay here. And once again, thank you very much Ajay, Sanjeev and PVR. But ये मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, तुम्हारी सीटें अच्छी होंगी, सीट हमारी भी बुरी नहीं है.
When guys start saying that, there's a problem.
Yes, sir. Podium. So Rohit sir, we've heard the song. Can I request you to do your customary action so that we can just get the song played on the big screen? As a director, just say action, sir. No, sir, please. नहीं मैं लाइट बोल मैं सर एक्शन बोल रहा हूँ सर नहीं सर मैं
ओके रेडी है तो मैं एक्शन बोलता हूँ ना ये क्या हो गया हाँ एक्शन
Can I please request you to Kriti, can I please request you to come up onto the stage? Ajay sir, Sanjeev sir, I would request you to come up onto the stage and
sounding very odd है शाहरुख actually it's sounding very odd
give me a mic
आप तो बस
माइक के भी हाथ में
You know, we would all love to stay here, but we have to go and finish shooting for a day and a half. We are finished. So we'll just complete that. Kajol and me will go. I will request Kriti and Varun and I don't know, Rohit, तुम्हें भी जाना है?
सर मैं डायरेक्टर हूँ.
Oh, sorry. तो ठीक है. फिर हम लोगों को जाना बहुत लाजमी, अदरवाइज हम रुक जाते. काजोल तो मुझे लगता है रेडी हो चुकी है, जा चुकी है आधे. वो शूटिंग पे आने से पहले जा चुकी होती है.
सर मैं एक काम कर दूं जो इनके लिए हमेशा करता हूँ. काजल जस्ट कम फॉर 2 सेकंड. दे नीड अ फोटोग्राफ. हाँ 4 फिर 2 फिर सोलो शाहरुख खान. ओके कंफर्म. ओके चलो. अभी 4. ओके चलो चालू हो जाओ. अभी शाहरुख काजल हो गया. नहीं अभी तक नहीं हुआ. ओके हाँ शाहरुख काजल. हाँ अभी सोलो शाहरुख खान. ओके चलो. चलो वरुण कृति.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Rohit, sir. Thank you, Shahrukh, sir. Thank you, Kajol. Thanks a lot. And I would also invite Mr. Sridhar from Sony Music to come up onto the stage to join us. Sir.
हाँ भाई अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. बैठ जाओ. अभी थोड़ा माहौल हम लोग गर्म कर लेते हैं. अभी रुक जाओ ना. हम लोग फोटो कर रहे हैं, बाद में कर लेंगे. तुम लोग बहुत उतावले हो रहे हो. बैठ जाओ. हम लोग हो आप लोग के साथ ही है. जब मैं बाहर जाता हूँ किधर फ्लाइट तब फोटो खींचता हूँ. जब मैं इधर जाता हूँ तो फोटो खींचता हूँ, उधर जाता हूँ तो फोटो खींचता हूँ. फोटो तो होगा ही होगा. First of all, I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sanjeev and Ajay for giving us this opportunity to come here, and the entire PVR family. You guys have honestly been great, and I think आप लोग को भी थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए क्योंकि जब भी प्रीमियर होता है तो हमेशा ये लोग बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. दूसरे थिएटर से बेटर है ना PVR. तो I think thank you PVR from I think the entire film fraternity for this. Second,
I actually want to add that I loved the gold class that we went to. It's absolutely amazing. The sound, the seats, the lamps in the theater. I've never seen lamps in a theater. And they're special love seats, what they call love seats. So they're not that far. Gold class में बहुत दूर होती है seats.
also, I actually want to take this opportunity to talk to the media for 1 second and say something. As a Mumbaikar, I think I was sitting over here and Shahrukh sir spoke about the 26/11 incident. And as a Mumbaikar, I got really choked up. So when a person of his stature speaks, I mean, you'll report a lot of things, but please make this a headline, what he said, because because people sometimes, some section of people feel sometimes otherwise. But as a Mumbaikar, just sitting over there, I got really choked up and felt really special the way he spoke. And I'm sure aap sabko bhi laga waise. So I request anyone from the media and everyone from the media here that please make this a headline, because this deserves to be a headline, what he did.
Thank you, sir. I would request you to take your seats. And before I open the forum for question and answer, I want to ask you, from PVR Priya to now PVR Icon, and within a week, it's going to be 500 now, right? 500 screens. So hopefully.
Delhi. Oh, I used to go a lot there from school.
Saket, yeah. So, share with us, some of the key highlights of this beautiful journey.
So it's their moment, yeah.
Eventually, they have to watch the film in PVR only. So,
Well, it's been. Is this visible? I mean, audible? Yeah. I would say it's literally without, trying to be extremely. I don't know what the word is, obsequious or whatever. It was Dad who gave the opportunity to both of us. He's the one who.
So, he's the one who's paying for the event. Can we increase his volume, please?
I said our father gave us the opportunity, and we were just very keen, as I said earlier, to make sure that we do a good job of whatever was asked of us, and we were quite surprised that if we just gave quality to the Indian, they love movies. It comes very naturally to them to watch films on the big screen. If we just give them quality, they will come back. And from there, it just started from one screen to the first multiplex in '97. And every single unit, if I can call it that, we were, with the grace of God, did well. And we just kept focusing on the fundamentals of building a quality circuit, choose the right location, build good cinemas, give great customer service. And the country and the consumers, the film industry, they sort of rewarded us, and we kept growing. Really, it's as simple as that.
Well, Varun, before you guys came in here, I was asking everybody what was their first experience of watching a movie on big screen. Do you remember when was the first time you saw a movie on big screen? How old were you?
The first film I saw on a big screen, I don't know, I think I can't even remember. I think I was born in an editing studio or something. I mean, as far as I remember, I've just been watching films or watching cinema, I mean on TV, or whether it's in the single screens or whether it's in the multiplex era right now. But I do watch a lot of films at PVR Juhu. I'm often spotted there by the photographers as well.
Fair enough. I'd like to open the forum for question and answer. Please raise your hand, introduce yourself and ask the question.
हाय वरुण, हाय कृति.
What's up, Alok?
मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और गाना बहुत ताबड़तोड़ है और अब बीट है तो डांस करने में मज़ा आएगा. सवाल ये है कि आप दोनों से सवाल है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिनके द्वारा आपके मन में इमोशन जागता है और आप इमोशनली हो जाते हैं.
इमोशनली इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो इमोशन जो इमोशन है इसमें, आई थिंक इट्स मोर प्लेफुल एंड फन बिकॉज जो ये लव स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू होती है जहाँ लड़का ट्राई कर रहा है लड़की के लिए और उसको देख के इसके मन में इमोशन जागरूक होता है. तो आई थिंक मेरे साथ काफ़ी बार हुआ है. जब मैं पहली बार कॉलेज गया था तो रोज डे था एंड आई सॉ दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो मेरे मन में इमोशन जगा. बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट गर्ल वाज डेटिंग समवन एल्स, तो फिर एक और नया इमोशन आया. बट व्हाट अबाउट यू कृति?
क्या देख के इमोशन जागता है? आई थिंक आई रियली लव डांसिंग. सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब डांस करने को मिलता है, लाइक व्हाट यू सॉ, आई रियली फील हैप्पी एंड या there are a lot of things.
Actually she's a different person when we are shooting a song and she's a different person when we are shooting a scene.
Rubbish.
Yeah, she's much better. जब आप गाना शूट कर रहे हो कृति सैनन कृति स्वान के साथ, तो वो मच बेटर है. उनका मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, खुश रहती है. और इस गाने में तो इतनी ठंडी थी तो मुझे तो बल्गेरियन लग रही थी उधर ईस्टर्न यूरोप में.
मैं ठंडी थी या वहाँ पे ठंडी थी?
नहीं आप तो गर्म थे उधर, पर वातावरण में ठंड थी.
अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन जब ये Q&A खत्म होगा तो एक गुजारिश होगी कि आप दोनों अगर हम कर सकें इस गाने को.
ये बहुत अच्छा गाता है, बहुत.
मुझे पता है, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि वरुण अभी आखिरी में.
हाँ, ओए I'll do the dance step. I'll do one step.
कभी माइक ले लो.
So we've spent a lot of money.
इस गाने को देख के मन में क्या है? Actually, I've seen this song for the first time. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ in the 7:30 morning flight and genuinely मैं थोड़ा बहुत nervous था क्योंकि एक तो वो Dolby का introduction ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला can we live up to this? So the hype was so much, and then when I saw the song and heard it with the atmosphere and everything, I was quite happy. And this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza. So that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, मन में emotional जागने वाला चीज़.
About the song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it. and I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him, "Beach mein main bahut khush hu." But the locations, everything around, you know, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color, and Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. And I think हम दोनों भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं.
I think हम खुश होके क्या करेंगे? The audience has to react to this.
आपके मन में emotion जागना चाहिए, जागा या नहीं? That's what I want to know.
And usually you're not very happy in other events, so I'm not going to take the name of which one, but thanks.
Let's move on to the next question, please. Yeah.
Hi Varun, this is Urvi here from Pinkula. To your
Urvi, what's up? How's it going?
Hi, good. Varun, I just read that in this song during the shoot you had to jump from almost
That truck.
12
Yeah.
from the truck. Was there any kind of nervousness that you had?
I'll tell you two things that happened, and don't kill me for this. So the shot was that I jumped from this truck. I can stand on these. Okay, sorry. So I jumped from a truck, and I like come here, na, Kriti.
Are you jumping
Just
on
jump.
me or
No,
what?
I won't jump on you. Stand over here. So I had to jump from the truck. And
One second, the truck was much higher, right?
Exactly, the truck was much higher, so I looked much taller than Kriti. तो जब मैं ट्रक पे था तो मैं
और
बोल
वो
रहा
truck
था
पे क्या लिखा था?
जो भी लिखा था, क्या लिखा था?
Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter, ठीक है, वो मैंने लिखा था. But when I was in truck, I was feeling, हर्षा, क्या रे? I was very happy. I was feeling big. ट्रक पे हूँ मैं, पहली बार एंट्री हो रही है. ट्रक से कट टू जंप एंड वी रीच डाउन. तब ऐसे हो गया.
And he usually stands like this only, so it's very
I
weird.
have a wide stance to stand like that. तो तब मैंने बोला ये क्या हो गया?
और फिर तब
तो रेमो सर ने बोला कि
ये
बड़ा
हो गया.
डांस, he said बड़ा डांस करो. We can't have you squatting too much and all that stuff. But overall I think the truck is Rohit sir's idea that to truck से entry करना, गाड़ी वाड़ी बहुत हो गई अभी. तो I think I was a little scared that I don't get hurt, but then during a photo shoot जब Kriti jumped, she did fall. So I think she should answer.
Yeah, because I don't do it usually. He's very used to
I'm not
doing
jumping
action
from
and stuff.
trucks every day.
But you're used to doing action. I've never
is
done
my
it.
first
But
Rohit
he
Shetty
actually
film.
taught me how to fall and how to
fall?
Yeah, in the sense how to you need to squat a little and all.
हाँ.
Also Kriti, Varun, same, Urvi.
Urvi.
Varun is known for his, dance, and he has worked with Remo. This was the first time you are doing a hip hop number. How nervous were you when you had to match steps with him?
एक तो I think coming from Tiger to Varun firstly, I think मेरी training हो रही है अभी मुझे लग रहा है because मुझे ऐसी dancer type actors मिल रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फाड़ू dancers हैं.
Her third film is with Prabhu Deva.
So, but yeah, I was a little nervous considering the fact that he was coming after ABCD 2, and I had seen, and he had become he was dancing like a professional dancer, and of course Remo sir choreographing it. So there was this little bit of nervousness, but I think when we started rehearsing, it did go fine. I mean, the only thing with him is that you really have to push yourself to be that energetic because he's always jumping.
Hi Varun, over here.
Hi, how are
Himesh
you?
here.
How's it going?
Good, how are you? Varun, you paid tribute to Shah Rukh Khan in Humpty Sharma ki Dulhania. And then even on the Gerua song launch event, you and Kriti.
Yeah.
So if you have to remake any Shah Rukh Khan film, which one would it be and why?
The two actually that I really want to do. Maybe later. I don't know whether I can or no, but Dar or Bazigar. Because this always happens to me whenever I do a lot of happy films or happy things. Suddenly my mood turns badle ki taraf. So then, yeah.
There's a little dark side to him, yeah.
Hi, my name is Rishi. I work with India Infoline Limited. Varun, Kriti, congratulations, a great song. The question is to Mr. Ajay. 477 is a great mark, and so what I wanted to ask you was, do you expect, after the initial week, or specifically the weekend when the movie releases, do you expect a lot of footfalls to continue? Because the class is amazing. You've got everything best, as everybody is agreeing with it. And there are a lot of more ways that have come to watch the movies now. So do you expect a lot of footfalls continuing with the quality that you're giving to the customers?
I think people still prefer to watch the films on the big screen. I mean, as I said, the kind of format and the way the filmmaking is happening just now, it can only be enjoyed on the big screen. So we do find if the marketing and everything is good of the film and the buzz is there, the first weekend is very good anyway. And then if the movie is good and people are not disappointed, then it does last at least 2 to 3 weekends, could be 4 weekends. So movie people we can't at the same time also interfere with what the consumer, how he wants to watch his film. But there are enough people, as I said, 3 billion tickets get sold in India. That means 300 billion visitations happen to a cinema. We're getting about, I think, 80 million people will come to PVR cinemas. So I think there's still a lot of appetite for people to go out and entertain themselves. And it's the purest form of out-of-home entertainment.
Varun, straight.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Sonu Pierre from Indian Express.
Hi, Sonu.
Hi. Varun, first of all, I'm interested in knowing how many number of cars were used in this song.
We didn't count.
No,
literally.
honestly, there were a lot. They are over, I think, 60, 70 easily. And it's not actually, it's the quality of the cars. You had like every brand from a Mustang to a Beamer to a Hummer to a monster truck to a Ferrari. I mean, I was shocked myself that none of these cars get damaged, though they were not mine. But honestly, it looks expensive and it is expensive.
Also, we hear that Team Dilwale is going to Big Boss. What is it like, and have you already planned the
We are actually, me and Kriti actually might enter the house a little early. We might do it on this 28th with Manwa. We might, I've spoken to Salman Bhai, so he said, why don't you come and get the song there. I think Shah Rukh sir might go a little later. And I think when Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan are in the same frame, I don't think you want to see anyone else. So मैं तो नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं TV पे देखूँगा.
Ajay, I have a question for you. Here, same. Brilliant theatre, nice ambience. You're also distributing Dilwale, right? I am interested in knowing the screen space that Dilwale would be getting as compared to Bajirao Mastani. Will the screen space be same for both the films, or will Dilwale have an edge over Bajirao?
Thank you, Sonu. I don't think we've decided the distribution strategy, because I think you end up wearing 2 hats when you're an exhibitor as well as a distributor. So as an exhibitor, we'll be playing the movies. You only have around 500 screens at that time. But these are big movies. They'll probably end up playing in 3,000 screens, 4,000 screens. So it's difficult to, just now, sort of, we haven't really done our calculations.
Yeah, it gets evolved close. It kind of, the whole strategy gets evolved closer to the release date. So of course, it's a bit too soon, yeah, but of course, they are both really big films. And this one will also have a very, very wide release.
And I'm sure people are going to enjoy both the movies, especially here at PVR Icon. We've got time for one last question. So,
Hi, Shivangi.
Okay, we'll take 2.
मेरा सवाल कृति से है. कृति, सॉन्ग में आप बहुत अच्छी लग रही हैं और
थैंक यू.
सॉन्ग में हमने देखा है कि कहीं भी आपने हील्स नहीं पहना है.
मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में हील नहीं पहनी.
क्या ये आपके लिए
मैंने अभी भी हील नहीं पहनी है.
क्या आपके लिए ये डिसएडवांटेज था या एडवांटेज था?
नो, आई लव वेयरिंग फ्लैट्स. हील्स तो मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनको पहननी पड़ती है टू लुक टॉल. आई थिंक इट्स एन एडवांटेज. आई डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग हील्स. दे आर वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल.
हाय वरुण.
What's up, how are you?
Good. वरुण, आप दोनों से सवाल है.
हाँ जी.
अगर जब भी शाहरुख की फिल्म आती है तो एक फेस्टिव सीजन हो जाता है और हम सब उसमें शामिल हो जाते हैं. और इस बार आप दोनों भी इसमें शामिल हैं. तो आई फील कैसा लग रहा है इस दिलवाले टीम से जुड़कर और इस फेस्टिवल को मनाना?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा, हंसी खेल का माहौल है. साथ में शाहरुख भाई भी है और काजल मैम भी है. एंड आई थिंक ओवरऑल रोहित शेट्टी मेक्स फिल्म्स फॉर द फैमिली. आजकल बहुत कम डायरेक्टर रह गए जो फैमिलियों के लिए फिल्म बनाते हैं. एंड आई थिंक दिस फिल्म इज लाइक दैट. देयर इज लाफ्टर, देयर इज रोमांस, देयर इज ड्रामा, देयर इज एक्शन. सब कुछ है एक व्यूअर के लिए इसमें. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई डू फिल्म सो दैट व्हेन पीपल वॉच इट इन द थिएटर दे गेट अ स्माइल ऑन इट. एंड जब फेस्टिव सीजन है तो ऑलरेडी जो इंसान है वो अंदर खुश आ रहा है. सो वी जस्ट वांट दैट व्हेन यू कम एंड वॉच दिस फिल्म, आप लोग जो कॉमन मैन है जो थका हुआ है, इतना काम कर रहा है रोज, अपनी फैमिली के साथ आता है एंड ही जस्ट एंजॉयज एंड रिलैक्सेस इन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एसीज दैट पीवीआर इज ऑफरिंग, द बेस्ट सीट्स, द बेस्ट साउंड, एंड ही वॉचेस दिलवाले आराम से एंड सेज वाह क्या फिल्म है.
But are you expecting this to be another Dilwale Dulhania, and do you wish that it goes on?
I hope. See, the idea is that we just hope people really love this film and like it and like all the characters and our work.
And you can't compare, yeah. They're two.
No, I'm not comparing. I'm just saying, do you wish that a movie of yours becomes?
No, in the sense, बहुत अलग films हैं actually.
Mr. Check.
Yeah. अरे आप हो मैम, कैसे हो? My favorite car is actually that monster truck. क्योंकि I told Rohit sir, I said आपकी हर फिल्म में तो हीरो के पास गाड़ी होती है और वो स्किट कर रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, पर ये ट्रक किसी के पास नहीं है.
और अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये गाने के लिए मिली है बस.
और ये ट्रक, I said I'll be the only like hero, I think in history of Indian cinema to enter on a monster truck.
Mr. Bijli.
Just praised myself, but thank you. I did. I tried to enter this event on that truck, but the authorities said they'll arrest me, so we dropped the idea. Gold? You have gold? Give me.
Come again?
Two of them.
The gold class that was there before, she's asking, is it still there?
Basically everything has changed. There were a lot of seats in the first gold class, so we've given more legroom and seat width. We've reduced the number of seats. The seats have become leather, and you'll have to experience it. So I think after this, we can show you the gold class lounge.
I swear to God, I sat over there. It's outstanding. पूरा like the technology is such कि आप finger के button से ऐसे खड़े हो तो ये ऊपर आता है. You can go back. ऐसे चले जाता है. I'm saying तो you can put the screen up also if you want. ऊपर ही देख लो picture.
I think slowly he's going to lie down on this seat also.
But that's the reason they're calling it the love seats. You know, just in case you're not enjoying the movie, you can at least enjoy the company.
No, and you can cuddle and watch also. वो जो armrest है वो भी ऊपर चले जाते हैं.
Kriti control.
I'm not saying. I'm telling her.
She doesn't want to do these things, but.
And as Ajay sir says that you have to actually experience that.
You got it.
And from tomorrow, so when do we open? It's open from tomorrow?
We're opening tomorrow at 12 o'clock.
Wow.
Yeah.
Varun, idhar, Varun.
Come again? Oh, this is just a logo. There's no.
That's no pointing towards Dilwale, see?
Yeah, or pointing towards Dilwale.
Okay, one final question.
आपसे सवाल.
हाँ जी पूछिए आप.
कि बदलापुर में आपका इंटेंस रूप देखा.
आप कहाँ के संवाददाता है?
मैं ETV से हूँ.
हाँ?
ETV.
हाँ जी.
बदलापुर में इंटेंस रूप देखा गया आपका ABCD में. अब इस फिल्म में भी क्या हम इंटेंस पार्ट आपका देखने को?
एक इंटेंस पार्ट है, ड्रामेटिक पार्ट है थोड़ा, बट जो फिल्म है थोड़ी सी रोमांचक है, थोड़ी हंसी खेल के साथ है, एंड ऑब्वियसली रोमांस एंड ड्रामा है. देयर इज वन पार्ट जो मैं बताना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट एक ट्विस्ट जैसा है सेकेंड हाफ में, विच आई थिंक यू विल सी, विच आई एम looking forward for people to see. It's a very emotional part.
Hi, my question is to Varun and Kriti. The trailer is out and some songs are also out. So
बात कर रहे हो? हमें तो पता ही नहीं था.
No. My question is, I want to know. Not much is known about the main plot of the film.
Correct.
So do you want to?
But that was the point, no?
Yeah. So is that the reason why? Is there something special about the?
You've seen Inception.
Yeah.
You understood it?
Yes.
You liked it?
Yes.
Then you like Dilwale also.
No, but my point is that a strategy to kind of hold?
See, there are a lot of things. There's the CEO of Red Chillies over here just looking at me कि तू office में मिल मुझे. No, but there's a lot to Dilwale, like I said, and it's a very big film. I don't think the entire film can fit into one trailer as in such. But there is a plot, there is a story. And it is totally logical. It does make sense. It's a full-on 2015 film which has a lot of twists and turns also. And you can mark me on this one. But we purposely not kind of shown too much about it because we want the audience to come to the theater and enjoy it. पहले ही सब कुछ दिखा दिया फिर मजा नहीं आया.
And actually इस फिल्म में इतना सारा कुछ है that I remember telling Rohit sir कि आप पता नहीं कैसे काटोगे ट्रेलर because it's very difficult to actually show all of it. Shut up.
Well, I hate to be the spoil sport here, but thank you everybody, and of course you'll get a lot of opportunities to interact with them.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We love you.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations to the entire team of PVR Icon. Congratulations, and wish you the very best to the entire team of PVR and Dilwale as well. Let's pose for one picture, please. And happy faces there, and I'm sure once you watch the movie, you're going to be smiling as well. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And thank you everybody for joining us here, and we'd like to see you very soon. Till then, bye-bye, take care. Thank you.